Okay, assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we are just going to discuss about the guest paper of October November 2021. As you all know, in previous guest paper, we do have many questions that were almost correct according to the paper, and inshallah, we'll be uploading some more important questions that will be correct in the session 2. Okay, first of all, before starting with the guest paper video, I just like to give information about some new trend and old trend. As you can see that from the session May June 2020, it was the first session which wasn't held on the time, and therefore just Cambridge gave the SS grades to many students, okay, and many got the grade call. Therefore, in May June 2020, we do have a guest paper, and the compulsory question that was in the paper was about the section A. Okay. According to the trends, old trend. For example, if any compulsory section goes like a section A came, so it was make sure that in winter 2020 the compulsory section would not be from the section A. It would be from the section B or from the section C. But the Cambridge gave the section A again in the winter 2020 exam, because maybe it was just because the exam wasn't being taken by the students, so they just gave the paper again. Similarly, just going to follow the new trend, that is the Cambridge just likely to place in the sessions, like in May June 2021, we have our compulsory section May June 2021. The compulsory question was of the section B. Okay, we do have a question regarding the World War II sources and all that, or 25 marks question. Question number 1. Okay, so according to the new trend, maybe we will be having a section B again in winter 2021, or if the old trend comes, so maybe they will not be giving the section B, or else they can be giving the section A or section C. So just likely to place a 2 columns over there for you people, and it's about the new trend. Section B would be coming, and if you're just going with the old trend, so more chances is of the section C. Okay, and a question that might be the important question in this section would be about the, okay, I'm just writing the question number and the possible question that might come in the exam. Question number 1. Okay, for question number 1 is about the partition of Bengal, reversal, or you can say about only topic I'm just writing, partition of Bengal, regarding a Khilafat movement. Okay, reasons, failure, founded, and all that. Okay, moving forward, we're having a maybe question of the Shimla deputation that might come the topic. Okay, and for the question number 1 of the exam. Now moving forward with the question number 2. Okay, a compulsory question is written over there. Now I'm just moving to the question number 2. Okay, for question number 2, we do have a question of section A of your book. The topic might be about the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and War of Independence. The most important topic that might come in your exam. Okay, now for the question number 3, that's just going again with the section B, and the important topics is about the you can say about our Pakistan movement, in which our 3 leaders played a vital role, known as Allama Iqbal, Jinnah, and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Okay, and the question that might become again, I can say, or question that we have about the topic is about the 14 point, or you can say about the Movimento that was important too in the previous session, but they weren't there. Movimento, or you can say about the Monte Chelmsford. Okay, for the last two questions, question number 4 and question number 5, I'm writing over there. For question number 4 and question number 5 about section C. Okay, the topics that might come is about the Zulfikar Bhutto, and about the Assembly Agreement and all that, and about the Benazir or Nawaz Sharif. Okay, and lastly, in question number 5, we do have some relations regarding the 3 important countries. USSR, because USA was there, about the Afghanistan, the China, the most important. Okay, yeah, and most probably we'll be going with the, yes, we have a Benazir, Nawaz Sharif, and lastly about the Ziaullah. Okay, here are some other important topics that might come in your exam. Therefore, if I'm just telling it again, that if they go with a new trend, so they'll be repeating the section B again, like in May 2020 and May 2020. But if they just go with the old trend, so it might be they'll be going with the section C. If the section C would be there as a compulsory question, so there would be about this question might come as a compulsory as well, and you can just manipulate or vice versa them. Okay, till now, Allah Hafiz.